Blow blow blow. Hurry up and blow out. Hurry up, this smell. Oh my god, open the window. Open the window and take a mask for ventilation. A house that even adds or subtracts small boxes. Guess what it looks like? 注记 What kind of person can live in a house like this? This looks young and lives. Not necessarily. I will definitely see what my friends and netizens have to say. Hello everyone, I'm Brother Zhao Kaian with a little life. Came to clean today. It's a very different kind of rental. The landlord didn't wait for us to enter the house. Just settle the money first. I gave an extra 100 and ran away. It seems that I am really afraid after we look at the environment in the house. Don't take this order. I guess I must have hired more than one cleaning company before. Watch the family video. See if the extra 100 is worth it.